came here 3 years ago and I love every minute of it. We decided to have sheep for 2 reasons. 1, to spin their wool, and 2, to eat the grass that we've got, the vast amount of grass that we've got here. I knew nothing about sheep whatsoever, just they've got 4 legs and they look cute. And now, through Farming Connect, I've learned a lot. Rhiannon Davis is my Farming Connect Development Officer. Anything I need to know, I just email Rhiannon and she helps me. And if I can't do anything, she'll actually come and help do it with me. It is a great help having Farming Connect at hand.
Helen approached me probably about 2.5 years ago now. She was looking to set up to have some sheep on a holding. So we went through, we looked what her needs were through the personal development plan, and she wanted more information about lambing and lameness and various elements. So she signed up for the training courses. I signposted her then to the e-learning courses, which are available on the Farming Connect website.
E-learning has made a huge difference to me. It comes in, you think, oh, I'll just go and sit on the computer, see if there's anything on there, and then hey, you click in, you think, oh, it was as simple as that. So it's there at hand when you need it as well.
E-learning is all online, so there's a land category, there's a livestock category, there's a business category and there's a forestry category, and there are a range of different courses in those categories then, so you just click onto them and then some of them are pop-ups and some are you just read through them. At the end is a quiz, so you test your knowledge of what you've learnt. Helen has developed so much from using e-learning. She understands stuff much better when she sees something wrong with a sheep, or she can understand what it is and she can relate to the things that she's learnt. It's basically putting the theory into practice.
Since I've been with Farming Connect, it's helped me expand my sheep, understand my sheep, and also to learn to manage my land. I'll be lost without Farming Connect. I wouldn't have a clue.